So this is the second problem. The volume of a rectangular shoebox is 2x cubed minus 9x squared minus 19x plus 6 cubic centimeter, and its height is x minus 6 centimeter. Find the area of the box base. So, bakit merong word tayo na area? It's because of two other dimension ng rectangular box na to, which is yung length and width. Ang base po kasi ng rectangular shoebox na to is rectangle. Eh yung area ng rectangle is length times width. So kaya ang gagamitin natin is volume divided by height. At dahil nga may formula na tayo which is volume divided by height, magdi-divide na tayo. Kapag ganyan guys, yung given, I suggest na gumamit kayo ng synthetic division. Paano nga ba yun? Ganito. So guys, ang gagamitin natin is synthetic division. Tutulungan ko kayo kung paano mag-divide using synthetic division. Ito, nakikita nyo itong 2, negative 9, negative 19, and positive 6. Lalagyan natin siya dito. 2, negative 9, negative 19, and positive 6. Tapos itong x minus 6 na ito, lagi nyo tatandaan guys, kapag negative dito, pag nilagay mo siya dito, magiging siyang positive. Kaya ito, negative 6, magiging siyang positive 6. Pag naman dito is, halimbawa, dito positive ito, magiging siya ditong negative. Gets ba? Then, next step is, ito, i-bring down lang natin to. Magiging siya dito lagay. Then, pagtatimsin natin, 2 times 6 is 12. Then, pagpaano natin, pagpaplasin, negative 9 plus positive 12 is 3. 3 times 6 is 18. Negative 19 plus positive 18 is negative 1. Then, negative 1 times 6 is negative 6. May siyang 0. So, nakuha na natin yung mga sagot. Itatransform na natin siya sa kanilang x. 2x, kung dati ito ay 2x cubed, magiging na lang siyang 2x squared. Plus 3, magiging na lang siyang 3x. Eh dito nakikita nyo 0, it is the r, or the remainder. Meaning, wala siyang remainder. So, pag dinivide natin siya, yung 2x cubed minus 9x squared minus 19x plus 6 divided by x minus 6, ang kakalabasan niya is ito. 2x cubed, 2x squared plus 3x minus 1. At para naman guys, malaman natin yung kanyang unit, i-divide nyo lang siya. Itong cm, makakancel siya, at nakikita nyo yung cube, magiging na lang siya, babawasan natin ng isa, gawa na i-divide siya sa cm, magiging na lang siyang squared. At ito yung natira. Meaning, ang unit niya is centimeter squared. Yan. So, this is the final answer. At para malaman natin kung tama ba yung answer na nakuha natin, kailangan natin tong i-check. 2x squared plus 3x minus 1, itatimes natin siya sa height para makuha yung volume. Ang height is x minus 6. Yan. 2x squared times x is 2x cubed. Kasi x squared times x is x cubed. 2 times x, 2. Then 2x squared times negative 6 is negative 12x squared. And dito naman, 3x times x is positive 3x squared. Kasi x times x is x squared. And 3x times negative 6 is negative 18 x. And lastly, ito, negative 1 times x is negative x. And negative 1 times negative 6 is positive 6. Dito ko na lang guys nilalagay Yan. E di combine the like terms na. Yan. Makikita nyo naman yan. Yan. Dito natin ilagay. 2x cubed. Negative 12x squared plus positive 3x cubed. X squared is equal to negative 9x squared. Kasi 12 minus 3 is negative 9. Then, makikita nyo dito, negative 18x minus negative x is magiging siyang negative 19x kasi may invisible 1 dyan. Then, ito wala siyang kapartner. Ilagay lang natin siya. So, sad. Yan. So, this is the answer. Hindi pa siya final kasi wala pa yung unit. Para naman ma-solve natin kung ano yung unit, ganito guys. Centimeter times centimeter squared, magiging siyang cubic centimeter. Paano nangyari yun? Kasi, itong centimeter nito, may 1 siya. Ito, 2 siya. Tandaan nyo guys, kapag magta-times kayo ng unit, pagpaplasin nyo lang siya, magiging 1 plus 2 is 3. Kaya siya magiging cubic centimeter. Yan. And this is the final answer. As you can see, tama siya kasi pareho siya ng volume na nasa given.